Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. Today we'll be doing the workbook solution for science for standard 6, unit number 4, that is getting to know plants. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please to subscribe it for more videos. So we'll be starting with question number 1, that is MCQs. First one, which of the following plants is a herb? It's option number A, tulsi. Second, which of the following plants is a shrub? It's option number B, China rose. Third, which type of plant is neem? It's option number B, tree. Fourth, which type of plant is periwinkle, that is Barmasi? It's option number A, herb. Fifth, which type of plant is oleander, that is Kaner? It's option number D, shrub. Sixth, in which of the following plants is the food stored in its stem? It's option number A, potato. Seventh, which type of plant is money plant? It's option number C, climber. Eighth, leaves of which of the following plants have parallel venation? It's option number A, banana. Ninth, leaves of which of the following plants have reticulate venation? It's option number B, banyan tree. 10th, which of the following plants have taproots? It's option number C, neem. 11th, which of the following plants have fibrous roots? It's option number A, jowar. 12th, which of the following is not required in the process of photosynthesis? It's option number C, oxygen. 13th, which part of a flower attracts insects for pollination? It's option number D, petal. 14th, which part of a flower protects the petal in bud stage? It's option number A, sepal. 15th, what is the lowermost and swollen part of the pistil called? It's option number C, ovary. 16th, which of the following is the male part of a flower? It's option number A, anther. Now question number 2, that is fill in the blanks. First one, the broad green part of a leaf is known as lamina. Second, the green colored substance present in the leaf essential for the process of photosynthesis is called chlorophyll. Third, oxygen gas is given out by the plant in the process of photosynthesis. Fourth, the food prepared in the process of photosynthesis is in the form of starch. Fifth, in sweet potato, the food is stored in roots. Sixth, water comes out of the leaves in the form of vapor through transpiration in the plants. Now question number 3, that is answer the following questions in one word. First one is which gas is used by plants in the process of photosynthesis? So it is carbon dioxide. Second, which part of the plant anchor it firmly to the ground? It is roots. Third one, what is the name of the process by which leaves lose water? It is transpiration. Fourth, what is the pattern of veins in leaves called? It is venation. Fifth, if a plant has fibrous root, what types of venation are its leaves likely to have? It will be parallel venation. Sixth, if a plant has leaves with reticulate venation, what kind of roots will it have? It will be tap roots. Seventh, which venation is found in grass leaves? It is parallel venation. Eighth, which venation is found in leaves of peepal and banyan tree? It is reticulate venation. Ninth, generally we feel cool in the shade of a tree. Which process in the plants is responsible for this? It is transpiration. 10th, what is the outer structure of flowers that resembles leaves called? It is sepal. 11th, what are the bead-like structures found in the ovary called? It is ovules. 12th, in which part of a flower are you likely to find the ovary? It is lowermost and swollen part of pistil. 13th, name two flowers with joint sepals. It is Dhatura and China rose. 14th, name two flowers with separated sepals. It is rose and mustard flower. Now question number 4, that is true or false. For that, first one is true. Second, third and fourth are false. Fifth one is true. And the remaining, that is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the 5 are false. Now question number 5, answer the following questions in one sentence. First one, what type of stems do herbs have? Herbs have green, thin and tender stems and have less branches. Second, what type of stems do shrubs have? Shrubs have hard but not very thick stems. Third, what type of stems do trees have? Trees have very hard and thick brown stem. Fourth, list the main parts of a plant. The four main parts of a plant are roots, stem, leaves and flowers. Fifth one, name four shrubs. So the names are rose, lemon plant, China rose, henna and pomegranate. Sixth one, name four creepers. Bitter gourd, Indian bean that is val, bottle gourd and grape plants are creepers. Seventh one, list four plants that have tap roots. Green gram, pigeon pea, mango, neem and banyan tree have tap roots. Eighth one, list four plants that have fibrous roots. Wheat, millet that is bajri, jowar, sugarcane, coconut and maize have fibrous roots. Ninth, list four plants that have reticulate venation in their leaves. Leaves of peepal, banyan tree, neem, mango, asopalav and China rose have reticulate venation in their leaves. 10th, list four plants that have parallel venation in their leaves. Leaves of wheat, millet, maize, banana and grass have parallel venation in their leaves. 11th, list the parts of a flower. The parts of a flower are sepals, petals, stamen, pistil, androecium and gynoecium. 12th, list the parts of a pistil. The three main parts of a pistil are stigma, style and ovary. 13th, list the parts of a stamen. The two main parts of a stamen are anther and filament. Now question number 6, that is define. First one, shrub. A plant which is smaller than a tree and has several main stems arising at or near the ground is called shrub. Second one, creeper. Plant with weak stem that cannot stand upright and spreads on the ground is called creeper. Photosynthesis. Leaves of plants prepare their food in the presence of sunlight and a green colored substance that is chlorophyll with the help of water from ground and carbon dioxide from air. This process is called photosynthesis. Fourth, transpiration. The process of giving out water vapor from the stomata of leaves is called transpiration. Fifth, taproots. A primary root that grows vertically downward and small lateral roots spring out from it is called taproot. Sixth one, fibrous roots. The roots which are usually formed by thin moderately branching roots growing from the stem are called fibrous roots. Seventh, parallel venation. The arrangement of veins in leaves in which they are parallel to each other is called parallel venation. Eighth, reticulate venation. The arrangement of veins in leaves in which they form net-like structure on both sides of the midrib is called reticulate venation. Now question number 7, answer the following questions in short. First one, what are the functions of a leaf? The functions of a leaf are: leaves help in the interchange of gases. They release lot of water into the air through transpiration. They prepare the food for the plant by photosynthesis. Second one, draw a neat and label diagram of a herb. So I have drawn the label diagram of a herb. So you can check and complete in your workbook. Third one, label the main parts of a leaf in the given figure. Write about each part in short. The main parts of a leaf are petiole. The part of a leaf by which it is attached to the stem is called petiole. And second is lamina. The broad green part of the leaf is called lamina. Besides these two, a leaf also has veins and midrib. Fourth one, what are the functions of a stem? The functions of a stem are: it keeps the plant upright and provides support. Leaves, flowers and fruits are arranged around the stem in such a manner that they all get sunlight. The stem conducts water from roots to the leaves and food from leaves to other parts of the plant. Fifth one, what are the functions of a root? The functions of a root are: roots anchor the plant firmly in the soil. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Sixth one, what are leaves of plant? Why are leaves of plants green in color? A green colored pigment named chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis process, which is present in the leaves, so leaves are green in color. Seventh one, Label the main parts of a stamen in the given figure and write short note on each. Stamen is the male reproductive organ of a flower. A flower may have more than one stamen. It is generally covered by the petals. The two main parts of a stamen are anther and filament. The sac-like top structure of a stamen is called anther, and the long stick-like structure on which the anther rests is called filament. 8th one. Label the main parts of a pistil in the given figure and write short note on each. Pistil is the female reproductive organ of a flower. It is the innermost part of a flower. The three parts of a pistil are: number 1, stigma, the sticky tip of a pistil on which pollen is deposited at the beginning of pollination is called stigma. Second one is style. It is a long, slender stalk that connects the stigma and ovary. And third one is ovary. This is the thickened lower part of the flower which holds its major organs. Small bead-like particles known as pollen grains are found inside the ovary. Now question number 8. Explain giving scientific reasons. First one. We feel cool in the shade of a tree even at noon. While in the shade of a tree, we escape from sunlight. The leaves of the tree give off water in the form of vapor from the stomata on their surface. As a result, the atmosphere near the tree remains cool and we feel cool in the shade of a tree. Second one, leaf is known as the kitchen of a plant. Photosynthesis takes place in the leaves with the help of a green pigment present in them. They prepare food for the plant using water absorbed by the roots and carbon dioxide from air in the presence of sunlight. Thus, a leaf is responsible for producing of food of a plant. So, leaf is known as the kitchen of a plant. Third one, flowers have colors and have fragrance. Flowers have colors and have fragrance to attract the insects for pollination. If flowers were not so colorful and sweet smelling, then pollination would not have taken place. Fruit formation occurs when pollination occurs. It doesn't depend on color and fragrance, but in order to attract pollinating agents, they have so. Now question number 9, that is give 2 points of differences. The first difference is between root and stem. Root generally grows under the soil and stem generally grows above the soil. Root absorbs water and mineral salts from the soil, whereas stem transport the absorbed water and minerals from the roots to the leaves and all parts of the plant. The second difference is between herb and shrub. Herb's height is less than 4 feet and shrub's height is 4 to 6 feet. Herb's stem is soft, green and tender, whereas shrub's stem is thicker and stronger than that of a herb. The third difference is between taproot and fibrous root. Taproot grows very deep in the soil, whereas fibrous root does not grow very deep in the soil. Dicot plants have taproot system, whereas monocot plants have fibrous root system. Fourth difference is between reticulate venation and parallel venation. Reticulate venation, if the veins are arranged net-like on both the sides of the midrib, the venation is called reticulate venation. And if the veins in a leaf are parallel to each other, the venation is called parallel venation. Dicot plants have leaves with reticulate venation, whereas monocot plants have leaves with parallel venation. Fifth difference is between sepals and petals. Sepals are green in color, whereas petals may have many colors. Sepals are present outside the petals, whereas petals are present inside the sepals. The sixth difference is between stamen and pistil. Stamen is the male reproductive organ of a flower, whereas pistil is the female reproductive organ of a flower. The main parts of stamen are anther and filament, and the main parts of pistil are stigma, style and ovary. Now question number 10, that is classify. So here we have 3 classification. The first classification is between herb, shrub and tree. The second one is between taproots and fibrous roots, and the third one is between parallel venation and reticulate venation. So I have completed all the 3 classifications, so you can check and complete in your workbook. Now question number 11, that is match the following. Again I have already completed the match the following answers, so you can check and complete in your workbook. Now question number 12, answer the following questions in details. First one, list different types of roots and explain each in detail. There are two types of roots. First one, taproot. It possesses a main root and many branches arising from the main root. The small lateral roots spring out from primary root. It grows very deep in the soil. Dicot plants have taproot system. Example, mango, neem, banyan, peas, etc. Second type is fibrous root. Fibrous roots are usually formed by thin, moderately branching roots growing from the stem. It has many thin, small roots. It does not grow very deep in the soil. Monocot plants have fibrous root system. Example, wheat, millet, maize, sugarcane, bamboo, coconut, etc. Now the second question is, what do you mean by venation of a leaf? List different types of venation and write a short note on each. So here you can check there are two types of venation, that is parallel venation and reticulate venation. I have already written the answer. Here firstly what you need to do is you need to write the definition of both of them, that is parallel and as well as reticulate venation, and then you need to write the examples for the same. Okay. Now the third question is, draw a neat and labeled diagram of Dhatura flower. List its main parts and write a short note on each. So the answer is, parts of Dhatura flower are, first is sepal. The outer part of a flower that has leaf-like structure is called sepal. It protects the flower in budding stage. Second is petals. The colored leaves that are arranged inside the sepals are called petals. They attract the birds and insects to the flower for pollination to take place. Third is stamen. It is situated inside the petals. It is the male reproductive part of a flower. Stamen produces pollen grains in anther. Fourth one is pistil. The innermost part of a flower is called pistil. It is the female reproductive part of a flower. It receives the pollen during fertilization. Now question number 13, that is, describe the following experiments with proper figures. So the first experiment, the aim is to prove that stem conducts water and dissolved minerals from the roots to other parts of a plant. The apparatus and materials are tender plant, glass, blade, water and red ink. And the procedure is, pour water to fill 1/3 of a glass, add a few drops of red ink to the water, cut the base of the stem of the herb and put it in the glass containing red water and observe. Observation is, the stem and the branches of the herb turn red. Conclusion, the stem of the plant conducts water and dissolved minerals. Now the second activity is, the aim is to prove that plants give off water in the form of water vapor in the process of transpiration. Apparatus and materials are potted plant, transparent polythene bags and string. And the procedure is, take a well-watered healthy potted plant, enclose a leafy branch of the plant in a polythene bag and tie up its mouth with string. Let the pot remain under the sun for some time. Observe the inner surface of the bag after some hours. Observation, water droplets are observed on the inner surface of the polythene bag. Conclusion, it proves that plants give off water in the form of water vapor in the process of transpiration. Now the third activity, the aim is to check the presence of starch in leaves. The apparatus and materials are leaf, spirit, beaker, test tube, Bunsen burner, water plate, iodine solution. Now the procedure is, put the leaf in a test tube, pour spirit in the test tube to completely cover the leaf, put the test tube in a beaker half filled with water, heat the beaker till all the green color from the leaf comes out into the spirit, take out the leaf carefully and wash it, put it on a plate, pour some iodine solution over it and observe. The observation is, the color of the iodine solution turns brown-black. Conclusion, starch is present in the leaf of a plant. Now the activities. The first one, apparatus and materials are 2 pots, 2 plants, soil, khurpi, blade and water. The procedure is, select 2 plants of the same kind from an open ground and dig them out. Plant one of them in the soil in pot A. Cut off the roots from the other plant and plant it in the soil in pot B. Water them regularly. Observe the plants after a week. Observation: the plant with roots grow properly and is healthy. The plant without roots wilts. Conclusion: roots are essential for the healthy growth of a plant. Now the second one, to identify the main parts of a flower. So this is the activity to be done by the students in their own notebooks. So I have not done it over here. Okay. So here we come to the end of unit number 4, that is getting to know plants. I hope you have understood the complete chapter. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.